My name is Jake Marasco. I'm here at West-Conn Tool. We're a precision manufacturer in Shelton, Connecticut.
Welcome to West-Conn Tool. My name is Laura Marasco, and I'm the CEO and co-owner along with my husband Dave and our son Jake. We are a family-owned business currently run by 2 generations of the family.
Hello, I'm Dave Marasco, founder of West-Conn Tool. We started in the early 80s in an 800 square foot garage and have grown to our current facility, which is 16,000 square feet.
West-Conn Tool is a contract manufacturer of medical, aerospace, and commercial components. At West-Conn, we're very committed to the quality of all of our products, and we demonstrate this commitment through the highly skilled personnel of engineers, programmers, operators, and quality.
One of the great strengths and advantages that we have here at West-Conn is what I like to call design for manufacturability services. So we get involved with you and our customers right up front on the design side to offer feedback on how to make something the best way, the fastest way, and the most affordable way, depending on your specifications.
Thank you for taking the time to explore our operations.